Hello everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here to share a fabulous project. Some of you may remember this video that I posted several weeks ago. This is what I called my #1 dad album, and it was kicking off all of my see-through or peekaboo covers for albums. In this case, this is not necessarily an album, this is a hybrid. This is a cross between an album and a folio. So it's really nice, a really nice size. You can hold it in your hands and it's pretty cool. It doesn't have 6 pages like an album. It's just, again, really nice size for photos. You can easily fit 60 plus photos in here. I would even venture to 100 depending on how much matting you do. But the point that I'm making here, the whole purpose of this video is to show you that you are not limited to just this #1 dad look for this album, all right? Because when you bought this tutorial, for those of you who already purchased this tutorial, this is a plus for you. I'm going to show you this in a minute. For those of you who haven't purchased this tutorial because you thought perhaps, oh, I don't have no use for this #1 dad, but let me show you what you can do with it, guys. All right? So let me take you through this album. But very quickly, for those of you who purchased the tutorial, to get access to the update, all right, and that's going to be posted by Monday, which is July 1st. The update will be posted by July 1st. All you have to do is go to your account and re-download or just go access your box.com folder and the update will automatically be in there for you. You don't have to do anything special. You just have to go back, and if it's tutorial only, re-download, and if it's your box.com folder, it's already in there. You have absolutely nothing to do. All right? So it's really simple to get access to any updates on my tutorials. So I always like to give you a lot of bang for your buck, guys. So check out this cover. Look at a shaker cover. So same idea. All right, same idea, see-through cover, but this one is a shaker. And because this is such a really nice size album, I can't say small, it works. All right, you can have it in your hands and shake. And the fun thing is that it's see-through. So this is a shaker, and what you're seeing is this right here. All right, so you can load this up if you want to with more goodies, of course. It's kept really simple. All right, we have to give a shout out to Janice Freeman. She's one of my design team members, and she made this sample for you all. Okay, if you're curious about the paper collection, it is my Happiness Personified collection. You can pick this up in my shop. It is gorgeous, guys. I mean, it's divine, truly divine. You're going to need 1 paper pack for this particular album, and for those of you who are wondering about cardstock, we use the 80-pound Maker Basics cardstock by Paper Phenomenon. All right, so the 80-pound cardstock is what you need for this album here. So let me take you through the album is gorgeous, or the album folio is what I'm calling it. This here is gorgeous. Same page assembly, everything's exactly the same except that the cover doesn't have the theme. All right, it's themeless. All right, so super easy. So here we're going to pull this off. Look at this, how gorgeous. This paper is just stunning, guys. This is magnetized onto here. Look, that opens up and you get these super cute, obviously a photo mat, and then this super cute file folder. This comes in the paper collection, guys, in the paper collection. You close that up and you put your mat back on there, and it keeps it nice and tidy. So you're going to open this up, and it has this kind of album area and then this kind of folio area here, which makes it really cool. If you don't have a lot of workspace, you can always fold this back and you'll be able to look at your album just fine. So here, take a look at this. The camera, guys, I have to tell you, that does the papers absolutely no justice. You have to see these papers in front of you, in your hands, to really appreciate the beauty and the richness of these papers. So embellishments are included in your paper collection. So look at this, how gorgeous, guys. How beautiful, this little insertion point. And then room for photos. All right, room for lots and lots of photos. We've got embellishments. We've got signature cuts here. Just straight up paper. Beautiful focal point here, and then fill in the blanks. You guys know my style of matting. It is gorgeous, and Janice does such an amazing job with the projects that they're definitely something to see. Like I say, she knows her way around a paper pack, guys. Okay, look at this. How gorgeous. Let's pick this up so you can see. This is over here. This is an envelope. It's floating. All right, it's really cool. It's a double-sided envelope. Okay, it's magnetized. So this butterfly here is keeping this flap and this flap magnetized. So there's a magnet and perhaps a disc back here, or perhaps two small magnets you can use, not a problem. So you get this side and it's half see-through. Close that up, and then you get this side, and again half see-through. Isn't that fun? What a fun look for a page. So gorgeous. Then you get this really nice oversized pocket here. Beautiful for displaying your papers and photos. Okay, how great this journaling card. Again, you get it in the paper collection. Flip it over. Matting off the pocket, guys. Not the page, off the pocket. Look at that, how gorgeous. Why cut it off right there when you can do something like this? If you're wondering how to do things like this, guys, if you catch my classes here live on YouTube on Wednesdays and Fridays, I do this sort of thing every single time, over and over and over. It all depends on the paper collection that I'm using and how what kind of looks I can get on an album. But the technique, I do it over and over and over and over. So it's really gorgeous. Love, love, love that. Lots of pocket cards in the collection as well. These mats are pretty cool. She did the reverse. She did the white mat, and the black represents the photo. All right, so if you cropped your photo down 1/4 of an inch, you're going to have the black and the white borders in your as your mat. And here is this fabulous pocket that I did for you all. I love it. It's so wonderful. It's really open, but no acetate here, but it's got so much room. That's what I love about it. So we've got a bungee style closure here. Open that up. Look at this paper. How gorgeous. So this flips down. All right. Fun little interactive play on the paper clip here. Literally paper clip. And then here, look at this. Again, matting off the pocket, or in this case, the flap. How gorgeous is that? And then this is for photos, guys. Photos, 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 photos. You can fit a 4x6 in here if you want. But I love the smaller photo mat, so that's kind of what I love to see in an album. Thank you, darling, for doing that. Look at this, how fun. These two little compartments here, then this closes up, that closes up. Oh, let's not forget these pockets for photos here. We cannot forget those pockets. And that's it. Look at that. This would make a super fun standalone piece as well. Super, super, super fun. Check out the back of this baby. It's a double, it's a single pocket, but it gives you 2 windows. So not too much work here. Magnetized. Look at how cute that is. The butterfly and the butterfly here keeping the magnet together. Love. And check this out, guys. Look, I even got an origami bird. There's origami birds in this collection, and she made an origami bird. How freaking cute. I didn't see this the first time around. Oh my goodness. Janice, I love you. An origami bird. I'm going to show you the origami birds. Look at them over here. How freaking cute. That is dynamite. Oh my goodness. I'm excited. I'm excited. So cute. And again, more pocket cards, photos. That's what this is all about. Put that in here. Got to put the origami bird front and center. How freaking cute is that? I would never think about that. That is so awesome. Thank you so much. Fun, fun, fun. So over here on this side, this right-hand side mimics the the left-hand side. And if you're wondering how to make this origami bird, all you have to do is Google origami bird on YouTube. Excuse me, search for origami bird on YouTube. You'll find how to make this. All right. It's been around forever and 10 days, so I'm not going to do a tutorial on that. All right. But so fun. I love it. Here we've got a signature cut into the paper, so we can add a few little goodies and not cover up the image, you know, like putting a photo somewhere on there, because that would be such a sin to do something like that. And then we open this up. Look at, so these frames, they come in the paper collection, all of these sentiments in the paper collection. Look at how fun this little fold out, guys. Look at that. How much can you get in here? The little butterfly, just kind of a tuck space for story time. You're my favorite. Super cute arrangement of photos. Just adorable. Really, really cute. Beautifully done. I love this. So this is not glued all the way down, so you can put your photo right in there. Okay, see? And then you flip that over and you've got this. Love the striping. Beautifully done. Little tuck space here for some photos. That same see-through pocket, guys, double pocket. It's kind of floating, hanging off the page there. Love, love, love it. And the tab is the magnetized closure. So she used half the tab on the front, half the tab on the back, and she put the magnets in there to close the envelopes. Super, super fun. Look. So this butterfly is clearly on this paper. Had she cut right across the paper, she would have cut the butterfly in half. But matting off the pocket, the way I teach you guys, that's the way to do it. Then you back it to black cardstock for that pop and stability. It's just perfect. Perfect. Look at how beautiful this is. Love, love, love. Oh my goodness, this album is gorgeous. Here is that famous striping. I absolutely love this. I showed you guys some, there's so many examples of this striping technique, guys, that I do in the project. So here is another example. You are going to love this way of matting. So it can be a little tedious, a little cumbersome to get through, but the look is amazing. Really, really beautiful. We're working on an album in the classes right now, and I was talking to the group about this. Check out this album, guys. This is called the Enjoy the Journey album, but this here just adds so much wow factor to your projects. Okay, lots and lots of wow factor to the projects. All of this paper piecing and kind of framing everything out. You can do it with, the point of me showing you this is that you can do this with any paper collection. Any paper collection, you can do this style of matting. Check that out. Instead of putting one strip of paper going all the way down, you do that. Okay, so look at this, how fun. Look at these envelopes, how fun they look. We're going to finish these off with a little closure. And again, just showing you the paper piecing very quickly. There was a good example here. Simple little strips of paper just give you that wow factor. Here is the tuck space right here. So that's it. That's the point of me showing you this. I digress, as always. All right, so let's open up this beauty. So here, look at what it looks like when you pull the photo mats out. Look at how gorgeous that is. Beautiful! And here, look at that yellow. These are pockets. You can fit really nice photos in there. Check that out. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That just looks so beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And photos in here. And then that closes up. How fun. What a unique pocket style, guys. I know that you guys are going to find this totally unique and super fun to put together and to just play with. Look at this here. The bird matting off the page or the flap. Gorgeous. That is gorgeous. Really, really gorgeous. What a great way to use the paper. Look at how loaded this pocket is with goodies over here. Got all sorts of things in here, pocket cards and photos. And that goes in there. Gorgeous. And here's the back of it. How beautiful. The paper is everything here, guys. Check out the signature cut into this paper that's holding the photos in place. And it's just perfection, guys. Perfection. You can, and the little butterfly, you can get this album. You can make this album. Okay, don't think that you can't. It's not difficult. You can close this in two ways. You can do a gatefold style, or I just like to do this and get it over with. Right? Done. Done. Let's look at this side. This side is, again, also fabulous. So here's kind of like the folio side to the project. So tuck space here. All right, for all, again, all sorts of goodies. Little butterfly. Let's open this up. Look at this. Ah! How gorgeous. Isn't that gorgeous? I know you guys are telling me, talking back to your screen, saying, gorgeous, Kathy. It is so gorgeous. This paper is amazing. Lots of room for photos. Check that out. For photos and or decorating or journaling, if that's what floats your boat, guys. Whatever you want, you can do here. Look at that. How gorgeous. Pick up your Happiness Personified paper collection. You can find it right now on my website, paperphenomenon.com. It's gorgeous. You're not going to go wrong with this collection. The colors are so regal. The paper designs are magical, and you're going to love it. That's all I can tell you. Beautiful. Look at that. Look it. And shake, shake, shake. Love the shaker. So remember, if you already purchased the #1 dad, right? Because it's the tutorial is called Album Folio, but this is the #1 dad theme. If you purchased it thinking you only got the #1 dad, you will get the update by Monday in your project folder. You will see the upload there. If you bought the tutorial only, you have to go to your account on my website, log into your account, and you'll get the option to re-download, and you will get the addition or the extra information on how to make the shaker cover. All right, so the possibilities are endless with the peekaboo album cover styles. So stay tuned. I have so much more for you guys. It's going to be amazing. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time.